This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah. So today we will learn the installation of the software then, okay? So
Yes.
what you have to do is first, let me just open the screen. First, you have to write in Google VM workstation download. Okay, let me just write down the steps also. Yeah, so step one is okay. So step one is go to Google and write VM workstation download. We just save this file. Hey, hi, Adyat. So today we are learning the installation procedure to install. Yeah, so today we are learning the installation procedure to install the software. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so do we have to download right now or later?
Yes, now only. Just see.
Okay.
First, we written what? VM workstation download in Google. Okay. And then let me just take the screenshots.
And side by side, we are doing it, right?
Yeah, you can do it. Yes, please do that.
Okay.
You also do that at the end. And then what you have to do is, this is the Pro one. Okay, there are a lot of which is not Pro also. Pro one, you can just download. You can click here. Okay. And after clicking on, you will be moved to this particular link. So step two
the
is
first one you were saying, or
yes,
the second one?
The first one.
Okay.
Click on the first link. Okay. And then what will happen is go and click on the first link. You will be page will be navigated to the below URL.
So we have an option for buy online and get started.
No. There's no. See, are you in this page?
1 second.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. It's showing the same. The VM. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the page. So here you have to come and click on this one. Download now. Can you see here? Download now.
I can't see down. Okay, on the
Drag
17 Pro.
down and click on.
Yes.
Click on that.
For the workstation 7 Pro for Windows, right?
Yes, you can. Yes, drag down.
Okay.
And click on download now.
Okay.
So you have to click on this one. Okay, let me just put this screenshot also.
Yeah, it's.
And after clicking on this, it will get downloaded, right? Yes.
Yeah, it is on process.
Click on download now. Is it getting downloaded? Yes, it will come like.
Yes.
Let it get downloaded.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Done.
So unfortunately, yeah. So the thing is, my internet system is a little slow here. So we are using like.
It will take time to download. Okay, it will take time to download. Just download it.
Okay.
It will not happen.
It's on the way.
Yeah, it will take time.
Okay then.
Once it is downloaded, it will look like this. Can you see this one?
Yeah, ready to get started.
Yeah, VM workstation. So you have to double click here. Okay. Next step is
where I have to double click?
On the software which is downloaded.
Okay.
Double click on the software downloaded. Okay. Then
Okay.
after you click here, see, I double click here and let it open. It is telling me this page. Okay. Do you want the app to make the changes? Okay.
I can't see actually.
Yeah, because that is for Windows. You cannot see that. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just writing this step. You have to click on question will be asked. Do you want the app to do the changes? I have already downloaded and installed also. So you have to click on yes button. Click on yes button. Okay. Then you have to click on then next until you get what? Until what will happen? Finish button
Done.
option is enabled and clicked. You have to click on next, finish. That is what is the installation. First thing is
Like we do with rest of the other applications, right? It's the same process.
Yes. So first thing is you have to do this thing. Okay. So all of you just install at least this one. Okay.
Okay.
Have you done this?
Mine is it's showing me 47 minutes. I don't know why.
Okay. It's getting downloaded. No. Fine.
Yeah, it is.
No problem. Then see, this is installation of VM workstation. Okay. This is divided into two parts. Okay. Installation is divided into two parts. What are the parts? This is part 1. I'm writing here. Part 1, installation of what? Of VM workstation. Fine, guys? This is part 1. Next is what? Browsing the part 2. This is part 2. Installation of Informatica and SQL and Oracle. This is part 2 installation part. This is part 2. I'm writing part 2. So what we have to do in part 2, we'll see now. Are you clear about this part 1, Tannu?
Yes.
Now I'm going to part 2. So what I'm going is on part 2. See, what I have to do is I'll give you one software. Okay, this is only for the people who have paid the fees, and I can give only to them. Okay. So what you have to do is you will get one software. Let me just show you. This is the software I will send you. Which software? VM for T and .rar. Can you see the software?
Yes.
Yes. So you will get this software. Okay. This software. Let me just take this screenshot. In your local machine. Okay. The first step is let me just take the complete screenshot. So next step is software will be provided. And what is this software? The software name is VM for rar.tat. Okay. Next step. Step 2 is once you get this software, you have to extract it. Do you know how to extract a rar file or zip file? Yatanu, do you know how to extract a rar file or zip file?
No.
No. So for that, you need 7-zip or WinRAR. Okay. Do you have 7-zip? Guys, anyone?
I don't know what is it.
Huh? If you don't have 7-zip, you can download and install 7-zip again. Okay. If you have, then that's fine.
Is it
Yeah.
Is it
So
again software I have to download like the?
yes. See, you have to write
Okay.
download 7-zip, okay, for Windows. You have to click on here. You have to write what? Download 7-zip for Windows. For extracting the RAR file, what you have to write is download 7-zip for Windows, okay? Fine.
On Google, right?
Yes, write down like this.
Mm-hmm.
This is just for extraction of any RAR file or zip file, okay? For the extraction, we need to download and install 7-zip. So what we have to do is we have to download and install this. We have to write in the Google, download 7-zip. Okay, I'm writing that also. Write in Google, download 7-zip. After this, what you have to do is you have to install it in a same way. What you have to do is you have to go here and click on this first link. Okay. And then you have to select that which is the machine. Okay. You will be navigated to this page. And then from here, you have to select your configuration. What is your configuration? Suppose it is 64-bit or 32-bit, and then download it. So this is also a step you have to follow. Download 7-zip and install. This is the next step, step 4. After that, did you got the link to download Tannu 7-zip? Yes or no? What about others? Did you got the?
Yes, I just I write it on my notebook, but right now I'm not downloading it because the VMware is already in process.
Yeah, you can download 2 links, okay, at a time. See,
I
like
can?
this. Yeah.
Okay.
And then it will be downloaded like this, and next, finish. Next step is next, and then finally finish. Then step 6. Are you done with this much? Okay, once
Yes,
you, yeah, you can do at your own also. Okay, once you do all these things, what you have to do is you have to go in this RAR file, right click, okay, and then you have to click on 7-zip and you have to write what? Extract here. Can you see this option, extract here? Tell me yes or no. Yes.
yes.
Yeah, so you have to extract the file. See, extract. Then you have to click on yes to all. Extract, you know, from the zip file to extract. Okay. The first option is extract, you know, there's a zip file where we need to extract the files. Extract the files. This is step number 6. And step number 7 is what? After you have extracted, you have to click on yes. Okay. To extract, we have to click to extract. To extract, we need to click yes. This is the next step. Then after you click on after you click on 7-zip and extract here, what will happen is you have to click on yes to all, and then what will happen? This folder will come. We have to click on yes to all, and the next step is folder will be shown. Next. After the folder is shown, then what will happen? This is folder is like this. Can you see the folder, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. This folder will be shown. This is the folder it will be shown. Next step is after the folder is shown, you have to click on go inside the folder. Go inside the folder. Window XP Infa 8.6, go inside the send folder, and you will get a 3 KB file. You will get how many KB file? 3 KB file. You can sort by size, and you have to take the file which is 3 KB file, right? Right. So next step is you have to select which file? This file, 3 KB file. Let me just highlight that. Select this 3 KB file. Once again, select this 3 KB file. To go to the path and select the 3 KB file. Go to which path? This path. Okay. So next step is go to the path. Okay. Whatever your path is there, C drive, whatever your location is there, wherever you have downloaded, and you have to select this 3 KB file. Keep in mind, you have to go select this 3 KB file. So now what you will do is, next step is, after doing all those things, till here, are you clear? Any doubt? Tanu, any doubt?
No,
Right?
no.
Yes. So next step is what you have to do is you have to go to our VM workstation. This will be installed like this. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next step is click on this particular software which is installed. Okay. So this one. This one. Next step is click on VM workstation. This is the VM workstation, what you have to click. Then double click on this one.
I can't see where is the VM workstation.
No, once you
I can
install
see
that,
the.
hold on.
Okay.
Once you install the VM workstation, which is getting
After
downloaded, then this icon will.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So click on VM workstation. Let me write down. This icon will be only shown once. What will happen? The software is already installed on the system, right? Fine. Now what will happen? Now you have to double click on VM workstation. Okay. Next is the step is double click on VM workstation. So what you have to do is next step, double click here and it will open. Okay. Has it opened? Yes. It will look like this. So let me just take the screenshot. Once you double click, this page will open. After double click, this page will open. So this page will open after you double click. Next step is the final step is what? You have to click on open virtual machine. You have to click on which button? Open virtual machine. Can you see this open button? Tell me, Tanu, are you able to see this open button? Open virtual machine button?
Yes. Yes.
So you have to click on this open virtual machine, and then from the path where our software was downloaded, we have to select this 3 KB file. That's all is this step. Okay. So what is the thing? First step is click on. Let me just write down here. What we have to do is we have to click on open virtual machine. The first step is we have to click on open virtual machine. Next step is click on open virtual machine. This is fine. And next step is browse the 3 KB file and click on OK. Okay. Click on OK. That's all. Now what we have to do? We'll go here, click on open virtual machine. We'll select this 3 KB file. Can you see this is 3 KB file? This is 3 KB file, right? Yes. Where the software was there. So the next step is we have to browse the 3 KB file. Let me just write down 3 KB file. You have to browse this 3 KB file and click on which button? Open button. So that's all is the installation done. Click on 3 KB file and click on open button. That's all is the installation procedure. And then what will happen is once you click on this 3 KB file, you will get this window XP. Are you able to see? Yes, you will get this window XP. And then once you get this window XP, you have to click on play virtual machine button. You have to click on play virtual machine button. Next step is step number 14. Click on play virtual machine. That's it. What I will do is I'll come here and click on play virtual machine. Are you able to see my
But I
screen?
can't see anything. I can see just the welcome to VMware Workstation screen.
No. Hold on. I'll tell you. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Let me just complete the installation process. Here you have to click on this administration button and give the password as Oracle. Give the password as Oracle. So the last step is here you have to give what? This is step 14, step 15. What you have to do is enter the password as Oracle. This is the last procedure. Okay, this is the installation procedure. Now tell me what is happening with you. Yeah. Tanu, where are you? What about Honor 9 and who is this? And Lenovo, who are this? What is the name? Honor 9N. Who is this?
Dev Gupta.
Okay, Devdut. So I was telling the installation procedure. And Lenovo, who is this? Can someone tell the name? Lenovo, who has joined by Lenovo? Yeah.
It's me, I guess.
Okay. That's fine. So Devdut and everyone, I have told the installation procedure. So first step for the installation procedure is the installation of VM workstation. So Tanu, where are you? First, you have to write in the Google VM workstation download. Click on the link, first link. Click on the first link. Did you click on this one? Is this procedure completed? Everyone do that?
Yes, I did that.
And then you have to go. You will be navigated to this page. And then you have to drag and click on download now. You clicked on download now. The screen will look like this. And then is it 100% now?
No.
So you have
still showing.
No. So you have to wait until and unless it is 100%. Am I clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Once it is 100%, then what we'll do? We'll double click on the software downloaded. Okay. And then question will be asked, do you want this app to do the changes in your system? You have to click on yes button. Then you have to click next, and then finish button. And then what will happen is this software will be installed. Okay. And this software will be installed. This is first part. Next part is part 2. What we have to do is to extract this software. Okay. Part 2 installation is divided into 2 parts again. To extract the software. So how to extract the software? First thing, to extract the software, we'll use which software? We are using 7-zip. Okay, any other softwares can be used, WinRAR also. So we are using 7-zip. Okay, then software will be provided by the institute. Now next is which is the software which will be provided by the institute. So software which will be provided by the institute is VM. What is its name? VM underscore for underscore T. This is the software provided by the institute. So what you have to do is that you have to, it will be a RAR file. Okay. It will be a RAR file which needs to be extracted. Next, what we'll have to do? We have to extract it. So to extract, we have to download and install 7-zip. So what we'll have to do? We'll go in Google and write download 7-zip and install. Then what we'll have to do? We'll go here and select this 7-zip and then we'll download it. It will look like this. And then how to install 7-zip? Next, finish. To install 7-zip software. So this is the next step. You have to install the 7-zip software. Then how to extract the file? You have to select the RAR file and then click on 7-zip and then click on extract here. So what you have to do is, here I have already shown this one. If the software is there, we have to go here, right click, and then here we have to go to 7-zip and click on extract here. Okay. After this, this folder will come. So I have told this thing clearly. So what we have to do is click on extract here. To extract, we need to click on yes to all. Okay. Folder will be shown. So this is the folder which is shown, VM40. Now we'll go to inside this folder, go to the path inside this folder. Inside the folder, we'll go to the folder. Okay. This is the software Windows XP Professional. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll click on this VM workstation icon, which is already installed. Double click on this and click on open virtual machine and browse the particular software. That is nothing but the 3 KB software, and click on open. And next is click on play virtual machine. And the last step is we have to enter the password as Oracle. That's all we have to do. Yes, guys. And then for SQL Plus is very easy. So what we'll do here, we'll give the password as Oracle. And then we will move into this particular screen. This is Windows XP virtual machine. Now what we have to do is we'll double click here and we will enter the username as Scott and password as Tiger. That's all. That's all I have to do. This particular option will be shown, that Oracle database 10G with partitioning, OLAP and data mining option. That means this is connected to Oracle database 10G. That is what we have to do. So next step is, after all these things, we have to double click on this SQL Plus and give the username and password as Scott and Tiger. Next step is double click on SQL Plus, enter the username and password as Scott and Tiger. That's all you have to do. Now double click here, give the username as Scott and give the password as Tiger. Am I clear till this much? Tell me, Tannu, yes or no?
Yes.
So this is the software installation thing. Okay. And this I am giving you this installation procedure Word document in your particular WhatsApp. Okay, so that you can just use it. Okay, give me just 1 second.
Sir, why you are giving your password and username?
My username password, no, the password I have told you, right? Username and password is Scott and Tiger, right?
No, we cannot we cannot create our username and password.
No.
Why?
Because we are not creating our own user, right? This is the system password of the Oracle what we are using. You never use your password. If you work in a company, is it that you will use your username password? No, if they create a particular user and they give a credentials, that's fine. But if they have not created, here the user created is Scott, and we are using that particular Scott user to practice. Okay.
So you have taken the license, any license, or you are paying
No,
for it?
this is software what I am providing you that you can use it. Okay. There's no license will take now 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Only to take this software, but what software we are providing, that will work for your entire life. Okay. This is for practice
And
purpose.
mm, why virtual machine? What is
Because
virtual?
because Informatica works in Windows XP, and it also works in Windows 10 and 11. But
Okay.
because it will be again, we have to take the license version of everything, and then it will be very, very expensive. And like that, we cannot give the training, right?
Means virtual machine is for Informatica, huh? We
Yes,
have
Informatica
downloaded
and SQL, right?
SQL, both we need virtual machine.
Yes.
Okay.
That is why I have given the installation of software document, right? So now this document is shared to you. Okay, you still can start working. Fine. So now after this, where we are in the class, we are with the SQL Plus. So what is the username? SCOTT. What is the password? TIGER. Yes or no? And after this, yes or no? Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now what will happen is installation software is already given you. Now you are connected. So now if I write, I told you, if I want to see one column, we have to give the column name. If we want to see all the column, we have to give star. If we want to see all the columns, what we have to give? Star. Let me just make it very clear. Let me just open a notepad. See, now I told you in a table, there is apple, there is orange, and there is mango. Okay. So yesterday, Tannu, I told you, if I want to select apple and orange, what is the query? Do you remember? I have to select. So what is the normal English? Select. Can you just tell me?
Select an apple.
Apple?
Select the apple from the table.
No, but I want now apple and orange also. So what I have to write? Apple, comma.
Select an, sorry?
I want apple as well as orange. So what can I write? Apple, comma.
And orange.
No, you
Comma
have to-
and orange.
Orange. No, you have to write only whatever is present in the table. Apple, comma, orange from the table.
Table.
This is one query. If I want apple, orange, and mango, then what is the query? Select apple,
Apple, comma, orange, comma.
mango. From what? From table, right? Yes or no? Yes. So if I want everything, we use star.
Yes,
What we
yes.
use?
But are you
Tell me.
writing somewhere, because I can't see your typing
What
anywhere.
about rest? Are you able to see my screen? Kanika, are you able to see my
I can see your screen, but
Yes, sir.
it's showing something else. It's not the where you are typing or writing.
Mm.
What about rest? Can you just tell me? Are you
Yeah,
able to
it's
see?
showing. It's showing, sir. Everything is clear.
What is happening? Why she is not able to see? Are you connected to proper internet? Huh?
Yes, I. But I can see the message inbox. I can see your this thing.
Can you connect from another device also?
Yeah, let me connect from my phone.
So guys, what I was telling is, if I want everything, I will use a keyword called as star. Select star from table. So what does select star from table source? Can someone tell me what does select star from table source?
It will select all the
All the columns. So which are the columns? Apple,
apple,
orange,
orange, mango.
and mango, right? Yes. So is it clear that if I want to select a particular column, I will have to give the particular column name. If I want to select multiple column, I will have to use which keyword? Everyone tell me, comma, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I want only apple, what is the query? Select. Yeah, Kanika, can you tell me the query? If I want to select only apple, what is the query?
Select apple from table and
That's it,
then
right? That's all.
semicolon.
And then semicolon, right?
Yes.
So am I clear till this much? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Very good.
Sir, select is a keyword or select?
Select
what
is a keyword, right? Select is a
Okay.
keyword. This is a particular column. The from
Okay.
is a keyword. And table is the table name. Table is the table name.
Okay. Keyword, column, from, and table name. Okay.
Yeah, this is simple English, right? I have to select this apple from the table. So select apple from table. I want to select apple and orange. Then what I have written? Select apple, comma, orange from table.
Table.
I want to select apple, orange, mango. So how will I, what will be the normal English? Select apple, comma, orange, comma, mango from the table, right?
Table. Right, sir.
And if I want to select everything, all these three things, then what is the keyword I am using? Star,
Star.
right?
Yes.
So if I write this, suppose there's an EMP table and I write select star from EMP, then what will happen? All the columns from EMP table will be shown or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So all the columns like employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, salary, and department number is shown, right?
Yes.
So, but it is not shown in a proper way. So what we have to use is, we have to use something called as set lines. Okay. And we have to use set pages. Set lines is used to set the line size. And set pages is used to set the page size. Used to set the page size.
Page size.
Okay, so that it will look proper. Okay. Set line size. Here we'll give any number. Okay. And I am writing. Number can be 1, 2, 3, 2, 7, 6, 7. Any of this number I can write. And here page size, again it will be n. So now this n can be from 0 to 50,000. This is the number of page size we can increase. This is the line size, the number of characters we can increase. Okay. So now, just give me 1 second. Yeah. So now, let me just increase the line size or page size here so that it looks in a proper way. So generally I take 1000. You can take 1000. Select lines 1000 and then set pages 1000. So now what will happen is, now if I write select star from EMP, what will happen is it will look proper, right? Yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no. Kanika, yes or no? Yeah. Tanu, are you able to see my screen? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm writing select star from EMP. So can you see now it is shown in a proper way or not? Yes. Tell me yes or no?
Yeah, I
Yes.
can see the table. Yes.
So star means what? Star means all the columns. Star means what? All the columns. And if I want to select a particular column, what I have to write? Select employee number. Suppose I want to select employee number from the table. What will be the query? Can you just tell me? Yeah, Tanu, Kanika, can you tell me the query? If I want to select employee number.
Select EMP number from table.
What is the table name? EMP, right?
EMP.
And then semicolon. Then what will happen? Only this column is shown or not?
Yes.
Yeah, Tanu, can you just tell me if I want to select employee number and this E name, what will be the query? Can you just tell me? Select employee number. Yeah, Tanu, can you just give me the answer? Employee number, comma what? E name from which table? EMP. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Then what are the columns will be selected?
E-name and EMP number.
Right, employee number and e-name, right?
E-name.
Yes or no? Yes.
Hmm.
So can you
Sir,
write it?
we have used set lines. It's a query or
Yeah, it
means
is a query only. It is used to set the line size and the page size. Okay.
okay.
The display was not proper, right? Here, if you see, when I wrote select star from EMP, how the display was there? It was not coming in a proper line, proper way. It was not represented. This department number was getting cut. So I increased the line size, okay, by giving the number of characters I have increased to 1000. Line size means this is the line size, okay, and the page size is this is the page size. So I increased it to 1000 so that it looks in a proper way.
So
So
suppose there are 3 tables, suppose, and how we will come to know that from which table we need to select the line size and pages. So first,
this is a generic thing. Okay, line size is not for the table. Line size is from here to here. This is line size. Okay, for the screen, for the editor,
okay,
this is the line size, and this is the page size. This is the
okay,
page.
okay.
This is
Fine,
for
fine. It's for the screen only.
yes, for the editor. Okay.
Okay.
No. Yeah, now guys, you write a query, okay, to select this is a table, select a star from EMP, to select the salary and commission from this employee table. Write in chat, fast. Write a query to display salary and commission from this employee table. Write this query in the chat. After writing, just send me in the chat. All of you. Done? Have you written? Tanya, Kanika, Tannu? And this honor, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
This is done. Salary, commission from EMP. Rest, Tannu, can you write this query?
I am facing some issue with my internet, so I will do it.
Whatever.
I think I am facing internet issue.
Okay. That's fine. See,
Yeah.
take a proper internet connection because the class is online, right? You need to have a
Yes.
very good
Yes.
connection. Okay, there should not be any. What about this Lenovo? Are you writing? Yeah, please write this query and send in group.
What I have to write? Can you please say it again?
I have to select this salary column and commission column from this table EMP. Okay. So that is what is the query. So what can be the query to select this column and this column from this EMP table? So if I want to select this salary and this commission from this employee table, for that I have to write a query. In the same way, I told that suppose I want to select the orange and apple from the and mango from the EMP table. From the table, similarly, I have to select now the salary and commission from this employee table. So for that, I want all of you to write this query so that you get your concepts are very clear. So I'm telling write down the query, select sal and this commission from this table. This is wrong. Can you tell me why, Kanika? Yeah, Lenovo is Kanika only, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am connecting with 2 devices because
Yeah. No. That's okay. Then why this query is wrong? Can you just tell me why?
which query?
This query select salary, commission from EMP.
It's not wrong.
That is what you have to think. Why this is wrong? Yeah, Tannu, can you just try?
What is the query? We have to select the salary. SAL, okay, only SAL.
Right.
Hmm.
Now you got it. You cannot
Hmm.
write your own imaginary column, right?
Yes, yes, yes. And if it is in capital letter, then we have to give capital in caps
No,
only,
no, no.
or
This is not case sensitive. I will tell you the rules to write. As of now,
okay,
SQL is not case sensitive.
okay,
Write down the correct query. Both of you
okay.
try to write. Yeah, this is now the correct query. Now, what about Tannu? So Hasi is facing some network issue. That's fine. So this is how we write the queries, and this is the first thing. Okay. So I told you the installation. I told you I will give you the software. Okay. So let me just give you the software. Okay. Give me just 1 second. Let me just open. Yeah, so can you just give your 1 second? This is not the software. Let me just give the software. Give your mail ID, no, so that I can send the software. In WhatsApp, can you just all of you share your mail ID so that I can give the software?
Yeah, it's better. I'm sending you right away.
Yeah, in the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, both of you write down your mail ID.
Yeah, I have sent.
Yeah. So this is a paid software, guys. For this, you need to pay your fees. Okay. So Tannu and Kanika is paid, so that's fine. I can say it now. Tannu Banerjee 813@gmail.com. Okay, fine, guys. Kanika Batla 12@gmail.com. Okay, software. Can you both see this software is you have received this software and confirm me? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So just download that software. Yep.
I'll do this later.
Okay, fine. So you have to download and extract it. Okay.
Okay.
See, you have to come with a fast internet. Okay. You cannot just tell me that software is not, internet is not there and all those things, because this is online class, right? So if it is
Yeah,
online,
yeah, yeah. I'll make sure from
yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, from tomorrow, please make sure. So you have to download that particular software which is sent to you, VM_T. Okay. From the mail, just whichever I have sent, just download this, and after downloading, it will be like this VM for T.rar. And I told you all these steps. You have to go here, 7-zip, and then extract here, right? Fine. Do this thing and then install the software. So today I just want to tell you one more topic for today. That is nothing but your SQL and SQL Plus. Okay, what is this? So there is something called as SQL Plus and there is something called as SQL. And now both are different things. Fine, right? So now what we have to do is, this is SQL Plus. Now this is our database. Tanu, what is a database?
keep our data.
Yeah, database is
Just,
collection of
yeah.
data in the form of what?
Table.
Sorry.
Database is collection of data in the form of what? Tables, right?
Tables.
Yes. So this is SQL plus, okay, and this is a database. What is SQL? Do you remember what is SQL? SQL is a language to access the database, right?
Database.
SQL is a language to access the database.
Database.
So database is what? Collection of data in the form of
Collection of data.
collection of
Tables.
datas in the form of tables. The data are
Collection of data in the form of table.
tables. So there will be a table. Suppose this is table, okay, T1. Now there will be some data in this table. What is a table? Do you remember what is a table? Collection of what? Rows
Rows
and
and columns.
Rows in column.
right? Now what will happen is this is SQL plus, okay? Now this is again a software. Now what will happen in SQL plus? Now this is a software where we will write the queries. What is a query? What is a query? Questioning to the database. In return, database will give the answer. What is a query? Questioning to the
To the
database,
database.
and in return, database will give the answer. So what we will do is next thing is we
Sir,
will
what is Oracle? Oracle is also the language to
Oracle is a database tool. Okay, Oracle is a database tool. Okay,
and
RDBMS. Little bit.
SQL is
A language.
language
Language. Suppose this is a database. This is what? Oracle. This is what?
Oracle. Oh, acha, acha.
Oracle. And this is what? A language. SQL is a language. Like English is a language. Hindi is a language. Like that, SQL is a language to interact with what? To the
Database.
database. So SQL is just a language. Okay. Like Java is a language. C++ is a language. Like that, SQL is a language to interact with database. Okay. We cannot write simple English, right? So there's a particular language that is nothing but your SQL. So we are writing the query. Query means what? Questioning to the database.
Database.
And now these queries we are writing using which language? Using the SQL language.
Language.
Now we are asking one query to the database. Now what will happen? Suppose I ask what is the count in this employee table, or display the employee name from this employee table. This table name is EMP. Now I want the employee number from this employee table. So there's a query written. Now what will happen is this from this database will get an answer. What is the answer? Only the employee number is selected from employee table, and this is shown in SQL plus. So SQL plus is a software where we write the SQL queries. And now what is SQL? SQL is a language to interact with what? Database. And in that, and then what will happen? And what is a query? Query is questioning to the database. In return, database will give the answer. So all are different things. So first of all, if the question is asked, what is SQL plus and what is difference between SQL and SQL plus? So first thing we have to understand, SQL plus and SQL is not the same thing. SQL plus is a software where we write what?
Queries.
SQL queries. Okay.
Sir, it is a editor or it is a software? It is a software, but it is editor also, no? SQL plus.
Yes. It is a generally we tell it is a software, right? SQL plus, inside it SQL plus there is editor, right? Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So SQL plus is a software where we will write the SQL queries. Next, what is SQL? Can someone tell me what is SQL? SQL is a
Language to interact with database.
to interact with what?
Database.
Database. Now, what is database?
Database is a collection of
data in the form of what?
Tables.
Tables. And what is tables?
So data.
No, what is tables? Collection of rows and columns, right?
Yes.
Now, what is query? Next question is, what is query? What is query?
Query is a questioning to database.
Questioning to the database, right?
Database.
In return, database gives the answer. Now, if you have understood this much, guys, so now we are opening this SQL Plus. So in SQL Plus, what we are writing? We are writing this SQL query, and in return, we get the output from the database. Am I clear till this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is one part of using this database, which is installed, that is Oracle. Which version we are learning? Which version we are learning? Can you just tell me? 10G,
10
right?
plus 10G.
I told you when I connected it, what it told. Connected to database Oracle 10G. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Which
Yes,
version of
sir.
Oracle will I? Oracle 10G.
10G.
No. After this, guys, there is one more option to connect to this Oracle database. This is one option. Oracle SQL Plus is one option to connect to this database. We can connect through command prompt. Have you ever heard about command prompt?
Yes, sir.
What is command prompt? See here, you how could you open command prompt? Do you remember that? Here there is an option called as command prompt. Can you see this one?
Yeah, we use it for IP address.
Yes. So you click on this command prompt and you have to write here SQL plus. What you have to write here? SQL.
SQL plus.
Okay. Let me just take this screenshot and give in the installation procedure. Okay. To interact, there's one more option in the command prompt. You have to write what? You have to write SQL plus. Okay, fine. This is a simple thing. Okay, we can learn also. We'll write here SQL plus and click on what button? Enter button, right? What I did, I wrote SQL plus and clicked on which button?
Enter button.
Enter button, right? Let me just write it here. Okay.
Hmm.
Open what? Command
Command prompt.
Next step is write what? SQL plus and then click on which button? Enter button. Give the username as what, guys? Scott. And password as what? Tiger.
Tiger.
Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do here? What is the username? Scott.
Scott.
And then enter, give an enter and give the password as what? Tiger. Tiger. Now, are we connected to Oracle 10G? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Yes or no, Tanya? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So here also we can write select star from EMP. Now again, we will have to set the lines. Set lines 1000. Set pages 1000, 2000, any number. Now I am writing select star from EMP. Are we able to see the same data here also or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So we can see the same data here also. We can see the same data here also. We can access from the database from the command prompt, and we can access the database from the SQL plus. Am I clear? Tell me yes,
Yes,
or no.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So suppose I want to select the employee number from this employee table. So what will be the query? Can you just tell me?
Select EMP number from
Where?
EMP. From EMP semicolon.
Right? And if I want to select employee number and salary, what will be the query?
Select EMP number, comma, SAL from EMP semicolon.
Right? And if I want to select everything, what is the query? All the
Select
column?
star from
From
EMP.
EMP. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
I will be, see here in this, there's a benefit we can use the backspace. Suppose I want to edit this E, then I can go and just directly edit it. Okay. This thing we don't get here. Here, once we write this select, we can't go back. I will have to delete it either using backspace, but that left button will not work in this SQL plus. It will only work in command prompt. See here we can go move right. You can move left. This option is not present in this SQL plus. There is a different way to edit here. I will tell you that. Fine. Now,
So do we have the command? displayed everywhere, like always, or we
Yes,
can do it?
yeah, as soon as you install the Oracle, no, you can just
Okay,
start using that. Okay.
okay, okay.
So select
Sir,
star.
if I write one column and if column is not present, then what it will show? Error or
No, no, column is you are telling this column values are not present.
no, column is not present.
Then it will not display anything. If I write here, suppose select X from EMP. Okay, now what will happen? It will say there is no column like this X from the in this EMP table.
Okay.
Wrong number or type of argument, right? Because we have to select this particular in this particular table, in this particular columns, you have to select any of the column or all the column. You cannot select anything at random. Then it will tell this is the wrong number or you have given, right?
Okay. Mm.
Now, to clear the screen, we use CLSCR. To clear the screen, what we use? CLSCR. Okay. So next thing I am writing here. To clear the screen, we use what, guys? CLSCR. Am I correct? No. To edit the screen, we use ED. What we use? ED. To edit the screen, what we use? ED. Okay. That means what? I have written this query, select star from EMP. Data is displayed. Now I want to edit this particular query. I'll use ED semicolon enter. And I will be navigated to this particular file. Are you able to see? From here I can edit. Suppose I want only EMP number. So I'll select EMP number. And then I'll click on this close button. And then there will be a message displayed. Do you want to save the changes? You have to click on yes. I want to save the changes. And then click on forward slash button and click on enter. Yes or no, guys? So how?
No, sir, I did not understand.
See, you
If
have
it is
written.
for edit purpose, then why notepad is showing?
Because you cannot edit here. I told you, no, if I write here, select star from EMP, I cannot edit here. How will I edit? Because I cannot go back, right? I want to go back, I will have to delete using backspace. I cannot use left arrow button. Left arrow button and right arrow. So I want to edit the query. Okay, by mistakenly, I have written what? Or I have selected everything. Now I want to select employee number column from this query. I don't want to write the fresh query. I want to edit this one. So how can I edit? I'll use which keyword?
ED.
And then semicolon. And then what I have to click? Enter button. Which button I have to click? Enter. Now you edit whatever you want to edit. I want to edit what? Instead of star, I want what? EMP number. Then I have to click on which button? Can you see this close button? Yes. And then you have to click on, do you want to save the changes? What you have to click?
Yes.
Yes. And then what you have to click on? Forward button. Can you see forward arrow? I just clicked on forward arrow, right? And then after clicking on this, are you clear with this forward arrow? I typed forward arrow. And then I have to click on which button? Enter button. Again, I can click forward arrow. Again, I can click forward arrow. Any number of times you can use for execution of query. So now my question to you is.
Sir, when you were editing, then you took backspace also in the query.
This is ED. This is semicolon. Enter. Now I want to edit. So what I will do? Employee number, comma salary. I did this, right?
Oh, no, sir. Below from this query, there is one backspace.
Yeah, this comes by itself. This comes by itself.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about this. Let it be there. Just click on this button. Click
Save
on
changes.
this button. Click on front slash.
Forward slash.
So the next question mine is that how to edit the SQL query in SQL Plus. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Can you just tell me? First thing is what?
Clear
First
the
thing is what?
screen.
Write what, guys? ED semicolon. Then,
semicolon.
and what will
Then
happen?
make the changes.
Notepad will open. Okay. Do the changes. And then what is the next step?
Close.
Save the changes. Right. Yeah. First is that
Close
click
and
on close button. Then
and
what is the
save
next
the
step?
changes.
Click on save button. Next step is what?
Next step
Enter forward slash
forward.
right. Then next step, click on what?
Enter.
Why when I write tell forward slash, why everyone is getting energy down? You have to write a forward slash. What is the forward slash? Is not a very difficult thing, right? It's just a forward slash, okay? And then click on enter, right?
Enter.
Yes. So SQL query, what is the rule? Can be executed using what? Forward slash. Yes or no? So now the next topic is rules to write the SQL query. Next topic is what, guys? Rules to write the SQL.
SQL query.
First thing is SQL is not case sensitive. All those Java problem, this is camel structure and this is uppercase, lowercase, all those things are not here. It's a very, very simple language. No case sensitivity. Uppercase, lowercase, everything is fine. So now, if you have understood this much, so let me just write a query. SE, okay, LECT star, then FRO. So now my question is, will this query execute? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, because SQL is not case sensitive, right?
Yes.
Will execute now. Next rule is data in the table is case sensitive. The SQL is not case sensitive, that is fine, but these data are case sensitive inside this table. Are you able to understand? Yes. This column names are not case sensitive, but the data here are what? Case sensitive. Right. This is another rule. Next. To clear the screen, we use which command, guys? Can everyone tell me? To clear the screen, we use which command?
CLR.
CLSCR. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
CLSCR.
Next.
Sir, space भी है इसमें.
Yes.
CLSCR.
Space is there. See, CLSCR. Right? Select star from EMP. You have to use the. If you write without space CLSCR, then it will give error. Right? Give a space after CL. Right? Next, SQL query ends with semicolon. Ends with what, guys? Semicolon. Yes or no?
Yes.
Next is to set the line size and page size. I told you to set the line size. Line size. We use what?
Set lines.
Set lines. And to set the page size, what we use?
Set pages.
Number I told you, right? 1 to here it will be any number you can take between 1 to 3 to 7, 6, 7. And here you can take 0 to 50,000 lines. 0 to 50,000 lines. Then. Keywords cannot be written in 2 lines. 2 lines, but SQL query can be written in multiple line. See, keywords cannot be written in multiple line, but SQL query can be written in multiple line. That means what, guys? So if I write select star from EMP, will it execute? What do you think, Tannu, Kanika, and
So, yes, it will
Yes.
execute.
Yes, yes.
why it will execute? Because SQL query can be written in any number of lines, right? So it doesn't
Yeah.
matter if you have written in 4 lines, it will execute, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But if I write SC and then I want this LECT to be in the next line, is it possible?
No, sir.
No, because select is a keyword, right? As soon as you will press enter, it will generate an unknown command, right? So keywords cannot be written in multiple lines, but SQL query can be written in how many lines? Multiple.
But lines.
So now tell me, this is correct query or not? Select employee number, comma, e-name, comma, salary, comma, commission from EMP. Is this correct or not? Tell me, yes or no?
No, sir, it's not correct.
Why?
No, it's correct. It's SQL. We can write in any form.
Yeah, any number of lines, not any form. Any number of
Yeah,
lines we can
any
write.
number of lines.
I'm not distributing any keyword. Which are the keyword here? Select is a keyword. From is a
Keyword.
keyword. I am not
Keyword.
distributing the keyword, right? I am just writing in multiple line. It will execute, right? Are you to understand? Yes.
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 So now if I write, tell me what will be the output of this? What will be the output of this query? Will it execute?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it will execute because we have written the query in multiple lines, right? So we can write in any number of lines. We are not distributing the keyword. Suppose select star, and if I want to split this keyword into 2 lines, if I press enter, will it generate error?
Yes.
Yes. Now see, I write this. Are you able to see the error? Yes.
Yes.
Because from is a keyword. You cannot divide the keywords, right?
Yeah.
In multiple lines. Yes, the query can be written in 10 line, 20 line, 100 line, 1000 line. That's totally fine. But the keywords cannot be written in multiple line. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes.
What will be the output of this query? Will it generate error? Yes, because this is a EMP is again a particular table name. This cannot be written in a different lines. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Now, this is one of the rule to write the SQL queries. So these are the rules, guys, which we should be very, very clear. First of all, SQL is not case sensitive. Data in the table is case sensitive. Clear the screen, edit the screen, all those things I have told. To edit the screen also, I have told here. Let me just write in the rules only. Next is to see all the tables present in the database. We use select star from tab. Select star from tab will give what? All the table present in a particular database. So select star from tab will give what? All the tables, whichever tables, all these tables are present in this database. It will give all the tables present in a particular database. Which is the query for that? Select star from tab. So to see all the tables present in a database, what is the query, guys? Select star from tab. Am I clear?
Yes.
So today what we learned, guys, first we learned what is SQL Plus. What is SQL Plus? Is a
There's a
software
software where we
where
write
we will
SQL.
write the SQL queries, right? What is SQL? Is a
It's a
language
language
to
that
interact with the database. What is database? Is a collection of data in the form of tables. What is tables? Is a collection of what?
Rows and columns.
And what is query? It is questioning to
questioning
Questioning
the
the
the database. SQL we can use from the command prompt. How to write? Do you remember we opened the command prompt and given the We written the SQL plus and given the username as what? Scott and
Scott
And the password as a
Tiger.
tiger.
to clear this, now I told you the rules to write the SQL query. First, I told SQL is not case sensitive. Then I told data in this table is case sensitive. Then I told to clear, we use CLSCR. To edit, we use ED. To set the any SQL query will end with semicolon. Set the line size, we use set lines. To set the pages, we use set pages. Keywords cannot be written in 2 lines or but SQL can be written in multiple lines. And then after this, guys, what we see is the entire what? Installation procedure. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So that's all for today, guys. Okay. I don't want to take a very big class on the first day. Okay. And let me just share you today's notes. Okay. Let me just show you to share you. And let me just stop the recording.